Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to sync D5 with SketchUp. Open SketchUp and install the D5 exporter plugin from the extension manager, then enable it and restart SketchUp. Clean up stray geometry, assign simple materials, and set correct scene scale. Lock down your camera view and save the file before export so the transfer is clean and predictable. Exporting is straightforward once the plugin is active. Pick the scene in SketchUp, check camera angles, and open the D5 exporter panel. Choose to export as a D5 project file and enable materials, lights, and textures to keep visual fidelity. Export with a clear file name, then open D5 and import the file. If something looks off, return to SketchUp, adjust materials or scale, and re-export. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and smart mapping that saves you time while you render and iterate. It's a handy companion when you're deep in a project and don't want to stop for chores. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After importing into D5, immediately inspect materials and textures to ensure they mapped correctly. Replace any missing textures and apply D5 shaders for realistic results. Tweak lights and exposure, position the camera for a final composition, and run a quick preview render to spot issues. If geometry or scale looks wrong, go back to SketchUp, fix the problem, and export again to keep iterations smooth and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.